Okay, Bhedia, I think you can host with me. I just want to say hello. How are you? Okay, I'll do another question. You seem to be in good spirit. Can I do a rapid fire with you? All right. Okay. Mr. Bhedia, हिंदी स्वर्णमाला में अ आ ई ओ के बाद क्या आता है? आऊं. That's correct. That is correct. क्रिकेट में जब अंपायर एलबीडब्ल्यू दे नहीं रहा है, तो आप अंपायर को क्या बोलोगे? How's that? Yes. That is also correct. अगर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में कोई आपके टेल के ऊपर पैर रख दे, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Okay, it's still working. It is still amazing. Stree 2 के शूटिंग के दौरान when Shraddha's dad visited the set, उन्होंने आपसे क्या बोला? Okay. और आपने उनसे क्या बोला? जब आप स्कूल में वॉशरूम जाते थे और वापस आते थे, तो आप क्या बोलते थे? मैडम, मैं क्लास के अंदर आऊं. ओके, यू आर वेरी वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. आप आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन होस्ट, बट थैंक यू सो मच. एनीथिंग इन द एंड यू हैव टू से?
So much, I'm big fan of yours.
Oh, so he can talk. Thank you, Bhedia. Thank you so much. Round of applause for Bhedia, guys. Steve, please come. All right. Okay, first question for you, rapid fire. I'm checking if you can host or not. Ayushman, Rajkumar, Varun Dhawan. Love, marry, kill. अरे ये कौन है? ये दो. आप कौन हो?
स्त्री.
तो आप कौन हो?
स्त्री 2.
I don't think we can do, but you are doing great. इवेंट शुरू कर. सर के लिए राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
ये भूत प्रेत बेताल ये सब क्या? इवेंट शुरू कर भाई. बैठे इवेंट.
We have one of the finest gems of Indian cinema. Can we hear it? छत उड़ा दो तालियों से. Mr. Paresh Rawal, everybody.
मैं ये सवाल पूछना चाह रहा था कि इवेंट शुरू नहीं कर, तेरा मुंह खोल दो. दांत दिखा. अरे तू बेताल नहीं है?
नहीं सर, मैं तो कॉमेडियन हूँ.
अरे यार, इतनी भयंकर कॉमेडी करता है, इससे अच्छा होता तू बेताल होता है यार.
That is true, sir. मैं शो के बाद immediately जाके बेताल बनता हूँ. But now that I have you here, can I ask you 2 quick questions? All the fans want to know. You have played so many roles in so many genres for so many years. You have done politicians, heroes, villains. You have done gods. So when Maddox came to you and said, "We want you to be in a Betal movie," what was your reaction like, sir?
मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैंने कभी ऐसी भूत प्रेत वाली पिक्चर की नहीं है. क्योंकि मैं समझता हूँ कि भूत प्रेत की पिक्चर में आर्टिस्ट को कुछ करने का होता है. और जैसे कहते हैं कि आप जंगल में जा रहे हो, सामने से शेर आ जाए, क्या करोगे? भैया, जो करना है शेर को करना है, मैं क्या करूंगा? तो भूत प्रेत की पिक्चर में भूत को करने का होता है. लेकिन मैंने सोचा इसकी कहानी ऐसी है, इसमें टेरिफिक एंगल है फैमिली का, तो फैमिली को भी कुछ करने का. इसी वजह से मैं ये पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ. प्रोवाइडेड उसके अंदर एक जबरदस्त स्टार कास्ट भी है, कहानी जबरदस्त है, प्रोड्यूसर जबरदस्त है, डायरेक्टर जबरदस्त है. ये मौका तो मैं छोड़ता ही नहीं. That's why.
Amazing, sir. Amazing. Also, ट्रेलर देख के बेताल से ज्यादा डरावने आप लग रहे हो.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि आप सवाल बहुत अच्छे पूछ रहे हो उसमें. My second question is, ये फिल्म में बाकी सब लोग सुपर नेचुरल क्रीचर्स हैं और आप अकेले नॉर्मल ह्यूमन कैरेक्टर हो. तो आपको कभी शूट के टाइम लगा कि मुझे भी थोड़ा दांत वांत दो, थोड़ा सा सींग विंग दो, मैं भी बनता हूँ ऐसे घूमने?
नहीं, मैं विदाउट मेकअप आता हूँ तो सब अंदर से निकल जाता है. ऐसा होता है, मेरे पास रेडीमेड है.
Thank you so much, sir. You can please join the rest of the stars.
Thank you so much. Thank you. कुर्सी खाली है कि ऑक्यूपाइड है?
We have a beautiful seat for you. परेश रावल जी के लिए तालियां बजाइए दोस्तों. दिनेश विजयनारी. Hello sir, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How are you?
I'm feeling very very good, sir.
You're doing very well.
Oh, thank you. You have to pay me, so some from your 1400 crores I would like to take. All right, sir, I have a couple of questions for you.
जी.
The first question is, you have had the highest grossing Hindi film of 2024 and the highest grossing Hindi film of 2025. So are you looking for a hat trick with this film?
I think the hat trick was not done by us. When we did Stree, no one thought it would get where it did. When we did Chhaava and Stree 2, we didn't think so. But hat trick, we would have to wait till next year.
Correct.
So if it's in their hands, we can try and do something this Diwali.
Right.
Right? So let's make Thama a firecracker.
So एक बॉल पे 2 छक्के मारने हैं आपको. 2025 में अपना ही रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना है.
आप नो बॉल फेंको ना, मैं मार दूंगा.
Very nice. Very nice. You can see where the comedy is coming from in the universe. That's amazing, sir. Second question is, you have given such iconic hits. आपने दुनिया ही बदल दिया है हिंदी फिल्म्स का. We see them very differently now. What do you look for in a script? आप क्या देखते हो कि कैरेक्टर अच्छा है, स्टोरी अच्छा है या फिर gut feeling? How do you select a script?
I think it starts with instinct. You hear something, you really like it, but there's one simple principle I follow, that I get up the next morning and we want to do a lot of things in life, but the way I look at it is, can I not make this film? And if the answer is no, I cannot not make it, then I make it. You know what I mean? So I think it's very important to really believe in what you're doing. And then, of course, the films that you mentioned, Stree and Chhaava, have worked. There are 3 things that generally help. Like I keep telling my team, we need to be unique, we need to be audacious. The film should ideally not have a reference point, and what I have to tell you about Thama is that whatever you've seen till now, whether it's the song in the trailer, is a tip of the iceberg. It's not, we are trying to hold back the film because the first comment on YouTube is कि पूरी picture trailer में दिखा दी. तो इसमें हमने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं दिखाया है. And to, ये सब बहुत लोग बोल देते हैं, but what we thought is, since it's become a universe and the universe has so many lovely people, today right here, we thought we'll show you the first 20 minutes of the film. You think that's
What?
a good idea?
Amazing.
I don't think it was loud enough. We shouldn't show it.
Guys, 20 minutes. Nobody has done this before. This is path-breaking. This is amazing. Guys, only one condition. You guys please don't record. Okay? Please don't record. I trust you. Keep your phones in the pocket. Enjoy this cinema. Okay? Phone वगैरह अंदर रख दो. 20 मिनट दिखाएंगे फिल्म का. 20 minutes. तो फिल्म का पूरा लेंथ कितना है?
229, same exact length as 3:2.
Wow. तो 2 घंटा फिर भी बचेगा. तो 20 मिनट.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं आप लोग थिएटर में पिक्चर देखने नहीं आए.
But you're getting to watch 20 minutes of an unreleased film. This has never happened in history before. Shall we start?
So what we wanted to try, guys, is that please do not record, because we want to make this almost like a ritual that we come to Delhi, we show you 20 minutes every time we're bringing a horror comedy. So don't make it a horror for us by recording it, and just enjoy the film, and then we'll sit. I think we come a lot of times and we want to talk and the answers are generic, and then once you've seen it in about 20-25 minutes, we'll ask you any questions that you have on it, we'll answer. So it'll be a lot more interactive. So please, 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 and there are lots of mean people floating around like Bhediya and Stree, they'll take your phone. So I wouldn't want you to lose your phone. Yeah. So please do not record. So should we do this?
Yes, sir. राउंड तालियां बजाओ और पिक्चर चालू हो जाएगा. तालियां बजते रहना चाहिए और पिक्चर चालू हो जाएगा. बस
आपके साथ हमने पहली बार ये फिल्म के 20 मिनट देखे हैं and we are doubly excited. Well done, Soumyadeep. A big hand for Soumyadeep, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Soumyadeep. Thank you so much, Ayushman.